If you're an Akixi 1000, 2000 or 3000 user, you have the ability to create charts and graphs from your Akixi real-time and historic reports. This often makes the report data easier to digest and is a great tool if you need to include reports and charts in management presentations. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the charting functionality and the various charting views available. Before we jump in with creating charts, there are a number of different charting views that you can choose from. Now these include the area, bar, column, and pie charts, along with many more. Then, from your list of reports, select the one you'd like to display in chart view. Once your report is displayed, click on the report view type icon in the top right corner of the Akixi toolbar. If you're viewing a standard report, you'll see options for detailed table view, 2 BLF views, and charting view. If you're viewing a wallboard report, you'll see different tile view configurations, plus a display as chart option. Going back to the original reports, click on charting view and your chart will be displayed. All chart elements are fully customizable just like the reports, but do bear in mind that any changes you make within chart view will remain in place should you switch back to report table view. To make changes, simply click on Modify Report and you'll be presented with the Modify Report window, giving you the option to select from a range of different chart styles including pie charts, columns and bars, line graphs and so on. If you want to change the chart title, simply edit report name and you can add a subheading for the chart by populating the notes section. You may also want to adjust the order in which data is presented on your chart. You can do this by going into the Fields menu and moving fields up or down your list. You can also add or remove fields from here. Click OK and any changes will be immediately reflected in your chart. You can display and add sound alarms on your charts, just as you do with reports. To add or edit your alarms, modify the report again, select the Alarms menu, and make any adjustments to your settings here. On this chart for the support desk employees' performance, I want to set an alarm for any inbound calls which take longer than 10 seconds to be answered. When the alarm is activated, the corresponding employee statistics will be displayed in red on the chart, like this example. It is worth noting that when you're mapping the information from your reports, the first text-based field in your fields list will become a column chart's horizontal axis, and the plot values on the vertical axis would usually either be numbers, percentages, durations, times, or monetary values. This also applies when using chart types that support multiple data series, such as the line, radar, column, and bar graphs. Let's finish off by having a quick look at the exporting options. If you click on the download icon in the toolbar, you'll see there are several options available: download as PDF, RTF, CSV, or print reports. With the exception of CSV format, which is just text only, the exported or printed file is presented with a summary, followed by the chart, followed by the report statistics, as in this PDF example. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorial videos on the Akixi YouTube channel.